Hey, welcome. Did you know that switching to a plant-based diet can improve your digestion and reduce inflammation throughout your body? Yes, you heard that right. Get ready to feel amazing because today, we're diving into why you should embrace a plant-based diet for optimal health. Welcome back to our channel where we discuss all things health and wellness. Let's get started. Now, let's talk about the common health issues that can arise from a non-plant-based diet. From obesity to high cholesterol, the standard Western diet can lead to a host of health problems. But fear not, there's a solution. Enter the plant-based diet, packed with essential nutrients and vitamins that can work wonders for our bodies. By focusing on whole, plant-based foods, we can fuel our bodies with the goodness they need to thrive. Ditch the processed junk and embrace vibrant health. Imagine transforming your health with simple dietary changes. People who switch to plant-based diets often experience weight loss, increased energy, and overall well-being. The power of plants is truly transformative. In summary, the benefits of going plant-based are astounding. From weight loss to improved energy levels and a reduced risk of chronic diseases, the evidence is clear: plant power is real. So why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself? I encourage you to start incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet. Whether it's a meatless Monday or a fully plant-based lifestyle, every step counts. And don't forget to share your own experiences with us in the comments below. Let's inspire each other on this plant-based journey to better health. Also, if you're looking for some delicious and easy plant-based recipes, check out the link in the description to our exclusive plant-based recipe book. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.